This video is about the removal of a rear tire for a Harley Davidson FLH series. In this particular case, this is my 2005 Police Special FLH PI. I looked on YouTube and I really couldn't find anything about the removal of the rear wheel, so I decided to do it myself. This first video, as you can see, I've pretty much done all the initial work. The mufflers were removed. Let's see if we can have you. You see, right here, here's the end of the pipe. The saddlebags were taken off. Pretty easy stuff, actually. I removed the bolts from the shocks. Again, on the same size. You can see the bolt was taken off the shocks. I've also started pushing in the axle right here. This big unit here is the ABS unit. Now, on this axle, when it came out, there was a 36mm nut, which I removed, and also a C-clip, and a cam sprocket. If you see right here, there's some yellow crayon marks. I drew a line across so I pretty much know where to realign it for belt tension. So this is my first video. Let me continue the work, and